I'm unboxing a GoPro Hero 8 Black from the Costco bundle. So I have the warning sticker about the lithium batteries. It says here that it's contained in equipment, which I'm not sure if that's going to be true, but let's get into it. Okay. Bubble mailer. Okay, so here's the box. It looked bigger on the video. It looked bigger on the unboxing videos I researched. So there it is. See how it's opens up. Here we have the bag. There it is. So there's the camera. So we get the camera, waterproof out of the box, a thumb screw, a buckle mount of two batteries. They're not installed in the camera. A curved surface sticky mount. A foam Velcro-y thing. A USB Type-C cable that feels, oh, that's a good quality cable. Feels quite good quality. Card, what do I say? Some black. A floaty mount. Float grip. And then the top of the case you get a SanDisk 32 gig. The storage, the warranty and like unlimited online storage. That might come in handy actually. You get a whole thing of how to do it. And then you get another, basically, check support, some stickers, the manual, which weighs, okay, does not, I don't know if it weighs quite as much as the device, but let's see how much power is in the battery. Okay, so the door pops off quite easily, which is good to know. So on the inside of the door you have some foam. So let's take one of these batteries. There's no protector on there, so I could just slide that on into the camera. And while I'm in here, I'll let me get the SD card out. Ooh. There it is. First boot. You want English? Okay, there's the legal stuff. It actually does say legal stuff. I agree to the stuff I've not read yet. I don't think I want GPS at that time. And then there's an app I could install, but I'm gonna skip that for that. Set the date. Okay. The time. I do not like this interface. Okay. And okay. We have it set up. So let's put that SD card in it. Which way does it go?